everybody. So it is another beautiful day, and the exciting thing today is that today is Caleb's birthday. Yay! Tantiaguri, Caleb, Tantiaguri, Caleb, Tantiaguri, Caleb, Tantiaguri, Ate. Happy birthday, my boy.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
Y,
You said
X,
my world
O,
on
W,
7U.
my heart's desire.
Oh my God, 7U.
Just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please
Bravo.
tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
The boys are ready. Let me see your head. Oh wow, bellissimo. Let me see your own. Wow.
It's you like Victor.
They are ready, as if they are going out. We are in the house, so
I want to go.
it's remaining only Favor, but I've started already. I'm taking down the hair, as you can see. I've started, so I'm going to take it down and bat her.
Caleb, look at me.
Caleb, you look so cute.
No, look. Be like, look. Mommy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kevin.
Happy birthday
To you. Are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now, Kevin? How old are you now? 3. J E S U S. Jesus! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Grande, grande, grande. Oh, yeah, go have your seat.
Happy
Say
birthday.
happy birthday to brother. Me let me help him. Come my car from my phone. Yeah, so what you doing now? Free to eat your cake as I open the wine.
Yes.
Let's see here. What should I cut for you? Blue cheese.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Let's do cheese. Yeah.
And I can't help but
Good with
smile.
flavor.
Do you know how much I love you?
Uncle,
The
I
fries
shall
are
see
orange.
you.
You want to
Put my feet up.
and fruit
And we
change.
just sing.
I like you too.
And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment.
This is great.
What's your own?
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Look at the way my son is hammering this cake. He has finished his own. Favor is still there doing silence with her spoon. Caleb almost finished. Look at my own hobby. Now you big go. Leave that one. Don't put it in your mouth. And baby girl is over here.
You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite
buono.
song on just to
Favor.
wake you up.
È buono. Ti do un stelle 10.
10, grazie. She says she's giving me 10x. Don't worry, eat. 10x. Thank you. Joshua, ti piace? È buono? See his mouth full of cake. Here is mine. And here is hubby's.
That's right.
This is see blessing on here.
I'm loving this moment.
she will eat from here.
Yo, let me dive my chicken.
My Lord, how many stars? Wow!
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Aftermath. This is how much cake left. Everywhere scattered. It is not only to decorate and eat, it is also to clean up. So who will clean this thing up now? Who will clean it up? Is it me? No, because I'm going straight to the bed. This thing will stay here when I don't rest finish, or maybe Hobby might even help. I know him, I trust him, he will do it. I will not ask him to do it, but I know he will do it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to become a part of this lovely family. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Are you going back? Baby is sleeping. See you guys. Let me show you guys something. I told you that he would do it. My Lord, are you not tired? Okay. He said he's going to pack them, then tomorrow we'll wash it. Grazie. Look at my tripod over there. I will call for it later. Hey, my Lord, what do you have to tell them?
Nothing, but if you have not subscribed, it's your time to subscribe. Don't waste time. You're not paying anything. Just hit the button. That's all. Give it a hit.
Hit that bell button.
Then you'll be receiving more
Alerts. Did you guys hear that?
But at least stay safe wherever you are.
Yes.
You know, this time around, the world is somehow. And the only way out is stay indoor to your family until we come out of the situation we found ourselves.
Yes, so it will soon pass.
Prayer,
Yeah. Most importantly, prayers.
engage yourself. It's also opportunity for somebody to grow himself and herself equally. So wherever you found yourself, use the opportunity to achieve something. There are online teachings equally. One can engage himself. So those ones are not hit.
Yes.
You can go in there and achieve something during this period. I'm trying to improve myself in one of those things. Maybe after this you will hear the result. Okay?
All right.
So take care, friends, wherever you are.
All right.
We
Bye.
appreciate you all.
Bye.
Remain blessed.
And you too, remain blessed. See them. Today is your day. Enjoy. No. All of you should enjoy your day.
My girl.
My Bobo. Say bye.
Bye.
Favor. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye, my fantastic Favor.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?